Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Bree Extra, and I'm back with another video and another review. Yes, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning back, welcome back, sis. Welcome back. So today I will be reviewing a wig from Wequeen hair. So this is what the wig comes in, y'all. The box is such great quality. I believe it has like a silk back sheet on it or something. I have no idea, but what all comes in this box is, of course, the wig. I believe you get 6 headbands if you get set 2 of headbands, and it comes with a card telling you about their company and also how to care for the wig, a wig cap, and I believe like a silk bag to put your, I guess, the wig in, which is really helpful, and also a discount card. So shout out to Wequeen's hair for sending me this amazing unit. The hair felt so soft. It was very easy to comb through, and it really didn't have any smell to it. And I show you in this video like how much hair actually shedded from the wig, and it wasn't much at all. Would I purchase this with my own money? Absolutely. The hair has so much body in it, like you really didn't have to do much to this wig, but I like to define my curls and kind of get it looking, what's the word I'm looking for, like ununiformed, like just natural looking curls instead of perfect curls, because that's not how my hair looks. So yeah, this hair is really made with really good quality. So this is their grab and go headband wig. It is 100% virgin hair, meaning you can straighten it, curl it, dye it, whatever you want to it. I wouldn't recommend you straighten it though, because girl, like, look at these curls. Why would you want to run such a thing? The starting price of this wig is $76. If you want to get it in the length that I have it in, it's gonna start around $121. And it is in the color 1B, and they give you the option to choose between 3 sets of headband. So this unit does come with a comb in the front and a comb in the back and a comb on each side and adjustable straps, and also on the headband part, it has Velcro at the end, so you don't have to worry about, clipping it to something or tying it. You can just literally together and go. Honestly, you can leave your hair like this or put it in a bun or do whatever you want. You really don't have to do much to this wig because it has so much body already and it's so defined already that it's really not much to do with it. But I'm extra and I like to define my curls. I don't like that uniform look, so I like for me to brush them out and just make them pop a little bit more. Do y'all see how natural looking that looks at top? Like, a lot of curly units don't come curly at the top of the root of the wig. They normally come straight. But this unit, child, this unit looks so freaking natural. I'm just still amazed looking at it. So my hair is completely dry in this clip, And all I'm gonna do is pick my hair just to make it a little bit bigger, because the bigger the better and the harder they stare. Okay, no. This is my final look. I'm really feeling this wig. It's super easy to put on, super easy to tangle. Texture is super soft, super full looking, and it's not heavy at all. Y'all be sure to check out Wequeen's hair on Instagram, Facebook, and I'll just leave all the details below so that way you guys can click the direct link if you're wanting this unit or wanting to just see other units from their website. All right, like I always say, be blessed and never stress. Bye.